So just having a quick think about the sub. I think what we'll actually do is grab the imager now. And I remember when we were doing the videos for this, in fact, there was the possibility that there's a little bit stereo imaging going on, and maybe we can actually help reduce that down. We don't have to take the level out, but we could actually just mono it to some degree. So I'm going to try that and see how that goes for us.
Because I'm sober now. Now I can see clear, and I'm moving on. Because I'm sober now. I can see clear, and I'm moving on. Now it's gone. I remember us. We were so inseparable, with many memories.
And look at that, we've actually got a really good balance now just by doing that. It's going to creep up a little bit here in this section, but we know, look at our overall balance. Really, really good now. We could maybe even add a little bit more around 2K with that vocal, but the way things are at the minute, the balance is sounding really, really good, and we're definitely not overshooting with our low end now. And this will really come into play when we go to bring the level of everything up, because if there's too much low end there, it will just fall apart, but we'll see that as we go.
Now it's gone. I remember us. We were so inseparable, with many memories. At those festivals, yeah, we had warm bonds that wouldn't break until you kissed her down by the lake. You broke my heart, and it's over now. I'm happy we're apart, because I'm sober now. I can see clear.
I'm really liking how that's sounding. I don't think we need to add any like stereo flare or stereo widening. It's a pretty stereo mix. I worked hard on the piano to give that a stereo feel. There's lots of vocal layers which give a stereo feel. There's panning on the percussion. I don't think we need any flare there. We're just going to go for more of that fixing it. And fixing it that way has worked really quite well for us, I think. We are still going to jump onto the dynamics section now though.